Hey, I'm Sam, one of the engineers behind the KitchenAid Espresso collection. We built 6 fully automatic espresso machines, and there are a few differences. Let me walk you through them so you can figure out which one makes sense for you. Before we get into the differences, here's what every single one of these machines has. This is one of the quietest machines in its category. Start your mornings in peace with our quiet grinding system. With advanced noise insulation and clever design, we've minimized the sound and vibration so you can brew your favorite coffee without waking the house. They all have IntelliGrind technology. It auto-senses, adapts, and brews every bean to perfection. No manual adjustments needed. They all have removable brew units for more thorough cleaning and servicing. Every machine ships with 2 cleaning tablets. If you need more, grab them at KitchenAid.com. All of the machines tell you when they need cleaning or maintenance. 5 of the 6 machines have the auto milk system, which means heating and frothing happens automatically. The KF2 is the exception. It's got a manual steam one instead. 5 of the 6 machines have gorgeous color displays that are easy and very intuitive to use. The KF2 uses LED touch buttons. And all of the machines let you personalize your drinks and save them to a profile. Except the KF2. Let's get into the differences. The KF8. If you want everything, this is your machine. 5-inch touchscreen, 40+ drink recipes, and 6 customizable profiles. The milk container is included. Keep it in the fridge, pull it out when you need it, put it back when you're done. And this is where dual milk drink delivery comes in. Make 2 milk-based drinks at the same time, which is great for when you're hosting. Here's something worth knowing. All 6 machines can use plant-based milk. Oat, almond, soy. But the KF8 is the only one with a dedicated cycle that actually adjusts for it. The KF8 adapts to whatever you put in. The KF7 has a 3.5-inch touchscreen and 20+ drink options. The milk container is included here too. The KF7 can make 2 milk-based drinks as well. The KF6, it has a 2.4-inch color display with 15 preset recipe options and 4 profiles ready to be personalized. The milk container is not included. The KF6, 7, and 8 models are also metal clad, built to last, look great, and come in different colors. Now let's talk about the KF2, 3, and 4. These models are 25% smaller, but they have the same great performance as the full-size lineup. Plus, they have ice capability built in. The KF4 has the bigger touchscreen, 3.5 inches and 20+ drink options. You can also save and name 4 custom profiles. The KF4 has both iced coffee and iced espresso. It lowers the brew temperature, so what ends up in your glass is balanced and not watered down. The iced espresso option is there for making custom iced milk drinks. And it has dual milk drink delivery for making 2 milk-based drinks at a time. For the auto milk system, the milk container comes included. The KF3 has a 2.4-inch color display, same as the KF6, with 15+ drink options and 4 custom drink profiles. The KF3 also has the iced coffee and iced espresso setting, as well as the dual milk drink delivery system. The milk container is sold separately. The KF2 has 6+ drink options, LED touch buttons, and an over-ice preset for iced coffee. The KF2 also has a Panarello steam one, which gives you control over the milk's temperature and texture. The toggle offers more or less foam, just the way you like. This auto steam one works by pulling air into the milk during steaming. It produces smooth, velvety microfoam that makes it easy to achieve barista-quality steamed milk at home. The steam wand is removable for easy cleaning. So that's the whole lineup. 6 machines, some full-size, some smaller footprint. Some do hot drinks only, others have iced coffee capability. There's one here that fits your lifestyle and how you like your coffee, and hopefully this helped you figure out which one makes sense for you.